Heavy rainfall caused by cloudbursts led to flash floods and landslides in Ramban district early on Sunday, resulting in the deaths of a few people and widespread damage to houses, shops and roads. More than 100 people were rescued in the aftermath, but the Jammu-Srinagar highway remains blocked and also vehicular movement is affected. All the schools are shut in the Kashmir Valley. Meanwhile, the NDRF and SDRF teams are carrying out the restoration work. However, as you can imagine, due to the bad weather, the inclement forecast, restoration work was stalled just last night. Chief Minister Omar Abdullah, meanwhile, has requested the centre for help and urged people to follow advisories as well. My colleague Nazir has been tracking the latest details for us. He joins us live at the moment. Nazir, in terms of the restoration work, has it resumed and what's the weather situation like in Ramban?
Well, weather here in Ramban is sunny today, so the restoration of this road is going on, but it may take a while. Authorities are hoping to restore it as soon as possible, but given the amount of damage which has been caused by the multiple landslides, cloudbursts on this road where actually big trucks are buried, so it taking time. But biggest priority is to reach out to those people who are stranded on the road. And here in this army, this picket in Ramban, you can see all these people. This is a group of tourists from Gujarat. They were on their way to Srinagar, so they are being served food by the army here in this particular camp. And in fact, they just finished. आपने खाना finish किया? Lunch किया ना? Lunch किया?
हाँ साहब, खाना पीना बहुत अच्छा किया। 3 दिन में फंसे हुए थे। अब बटालियन ने हमने ऐसे 123 नंबर की बटालियन है ने, अब हमने बहुत साथ सहकार आपा है और हमको इन्हें बचाया है। बिल्कुल, खाना पीना सब इसको दिया है। सुरक्षित जगह हमने लाया।
So here all these people had actually come, were asked by army to come here, and they organized langar here for all these people. आपने लंच किया, खाना खाया?
खाया, सबने खाया। बहुत अच्छा बनाया था, बहुत अच्छा। सुबह में भी चाय नाश्ता पानी सब लेके हमारे वहाँ आए थे। बहुत अच्छा खाना मिल गया। अच्छा।
तो कितने दिनों से? 3 दिनों से फंसे आप?
हाँ, हम 3 दिनों से।
कहाँ, श्रीनगर जा रहे हैं?
नहीं, श्रीनगर से वैष्णो देवी जा रहे थे।
श्रीनगर से ही आ रहे हैं आप?
हाँ, श्रीनगर से मैं वैष्णो देवी जा रहे थे। हम सब घूम के आए और वैष्णो देवी जा रहे थे। हाँ,
और रास्ता बंद है,
बीच में ब्लॉक हो गया।
Correct. So this is the situation, but here army organized. That is the requirement when civil administration, paramilitary force and army, they actually come together. In fact, yesterday Chief Minister Omar Abdullah rushed his deputy Chief Minister Surinder Chaudhary to this area to assess the situation. And here you can see these army jawans serving food to the stranded tourists here. And this group had come from Gujarat. They were in Srinagar. They had gone to Gulmarg, different places. But when they were on their way back and going to Mata Vaishno Devi for darshan, because of the road blockade, so they are here stranded for last 3 days, and here army is taking good care of them. Here at this army picket, it is 123 territorial army which is taking care of these stranded, tourists here at this place. So that is the priority. In fact, civil administration is also saying they are serving food and giving shelter to those who have been, stranded here. But the biggest challenge is now to restore this road at least partially, because it has been damaged at multiple places. At one place I just saw, I was crossing that, where the approach road of a tunnel is completely damaged, so they are restoring that. At multiple places I saw landslides, they are being removed and then to restoring the road, but it may take some time if weather gods are more kind. Now it is sunny now, because for 3-4 days it was hailstorm, heavy rain, snowfall in the higher reaches. And here in this Ramban area, cloudburst. In fact, 3 people, including 2 siblings, lost their lives in that cloudburst. People are saying they suffered a great deal due to this weather, and many people lost their homes, shops. They were earning their living Some hotels were also damaged. So there's a lot of damage, but the first priority for the administration and the security force has been to reach out to the stranded people. And there are thousands of rather trucks stranded on this road, which is like normal, despite the fact thousands of crores are being spent on this highway. It is not actually fixing the problem. Let me show you, if you see these mountains, these are young Himalayan mountains. It is a fragile ecology. When you go for this, development, it has its own disadvantage. And then that's why many mountains I saw are actually came down crashing, and it caused massive damage to the road and infrastructure. Big trucks actually buried under the slush. That was the kind of slush that was coming down after this cloud burst and the landslides on this stretch, on this particular section of Ramban along Srinagar Jammu National Highway. This is the lifeline for the valley. This is the only road link that connects the valley with the rest of the country, and it is the biggest priority, and it is the only actually defense road for the army, for the troops, which actually use this road very, very frequently. And closure of it is not just huge inconvenience for the people, it actually shoots up also prices of essential supplies. Since the valley is a consumer place, most of the essential supplies are coming from the rest of the country, right. And all the trucks, even with those perishable items, they are stuck here, or they lose that. So it is very important to restore this road as soon as possible. So the restoration work is going on, but the big thing is those who are stranded here, they are being taken good care of by the army here at this particular place, while civil administration is also reaching out to people in different points in Ramban area.